Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you the one who can't get sleep at late nights and staying awake? Are you the one who wants to sleep quickly but can't get sleep? Are you the one who can't get sleep even after using military technique? Then in this video I will show you 5 simple steps which I am telling to you after making some research and experimenting myself for you. All I need is hitting that subscribe button, and that's a very big contribution for me. If you watch this video till end, I will give you some bonus tips for your better sleep. Let's start the video. Step 1. Telling time to your brain. Sometimes it will be hard to recognize what time is it for your brain. So you have to go every day to out to tell what time is it. For example, go to your balcony, see the sky and tell to your brain that whether it's morning or it's evening or it's night. At night, show the sky and tell to your brain that it's time to sleep so that your brain will understand and it helps you to sleep quickly at night. Step 2. No mobile. We all love to watch our favorite web series or movies or anything else on our mobile phones before sleep. But do you know that they are the cause of not getting sleep? We should have to not watch mobile phones or televisions before an hour of when we want to sleep, and we can exchange that by reading. Yes, reading helps our mind perform better and makes us feel sleepy. Before sleeping, if we read a book, then we can sleep quickly and also it increases our memory too. Step 3. Doing exercises. People who don't do exercises at morning won't get sleep at night cause they are interlinked. If we do exercises at morning, it makes our body feel tired and we fall into sleep quickly at night. However, exercises should not be done before an hour of sleeping. However, minimum a 5 to 10 minutes of exercise is needed, and that can be fulfilled by doing Surya Namaskaras. This can be found on the internet too. Step 4. Blinking eyes. Yes, you heard that correct. Blinking eyes is also a technique used for sleeping. Blink your eyes slowly 10 to 20 times so that your eyes will feel tired and you will fall asleep quickly. This can be used at the time when you want to sleep. Step 5. 4-7-8. Both military technique and 4-7-8 technique is meant to make our body relax. All this technique involves is just breathing. To do this technique, breathe in for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds and exhale with your mouth for 8 seconds, making a whoosh sound. Generally, I used to not get sleep that much of quickly, and from the past week, it was more drastic. When I went to sleep, it took me 3 hours to fall into sleep. Means if I go to bed at 10 pm, I used to go into sleep at 1 am. I became very much stressful. I don't know what to do. I went to YouTube, watched some videos, and from all the videos which I saw, I thought these 5 steps will be helpful for me, and I implemented those steps in my life. And when I implemented, I got the best results ever. On the first day itself, it took me half an hour to 45 minutes to sleep, and the second day itself, it took just 10 minutes to get into sleep. Amazing, right? Now let's move on into the tips which I wanted to tell you.